Hello, my name is Léa SEVIN. I have 17 years old. Study the kitchen school Jean de la Taille and the Pithiviers. The Tatin is fondant and caramelized apple tart. It is cooked and upside down and written before being eaten tipped or hot. It is a part of the French gastronomy. It's in the city of La Motte-Beuvron in the middle of Sologne. That was accidentally created by of one the famous Tatin sisters. People say the tart fell and turned upside down. It's like this that the tartatin was born. They are also salty tartatin.
170 grams flour, 20 grams sugar, 70 grams butter, 1 egg, 1 pinch of salt. 1600 grams apples, 130 grams sugar, 80 grams melted butter. Preheat the oven to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. To start, mix the flour, sugar and salt. Add the softened butter. Mix until you get a powder. Add the egg. Get a pastry. Put in the refrigerator. Peel and quarter the apples. In a baking dish and on the fire. Add the melted butter and sugar. Plate the apples as in the video. Put in the oven for 30 minutes. Spread the dough. Remove the apple from the oven. Put on low heat for 20 minutes. Place the dough on the apples. Put back in the oven for 25 minutes. Let it cool a little. And mold.